What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. Let's get started. Alison free online courses. How it works. Alison works by offering free, self-paced online courses created by experts, funded by ads and optional paid certificates, allowing users to learn skills in modules, pass assessments needing 80% plus, and download a free learner record or pay for official certificates, diplomas to prove their achievement, all accessible via web or app. It's not being said out loud, but behind closed doors that management that had been at the company for 10 plus years may not at all starting to adapt to the modern workplace. We are talking about the world of AI in the workplace. Many of ways it can be integrated into daily workflows that some managers may have an issue with. We all remember the remote work lifestyle that took place a few years back, and management was flawed when it came to overseeing their employees' current state. It is the best thing that has happened to the workforce after realizing how productivity soared and work-life balance actually became a real thing. But it took a long time before management had to let go of the constraints of their employees and allow this to happen. This move should have been a no-brainer, right? This all boils down to management adapting to the modern workplace. So let's explore some of these examples and get a better understanding. Traditional management structures are rapidly losing their relevance in today's fast-paced dynamic workplace. Rigid hierarchies, outdated top-down decision-making, and siloed teams can no longer keep up with the demands when it comes to innovation and employee engagement. The future of successful companies lies in flat organizational structures, where autonomy, collaboration, and transparency redefine management. Modern managers are shifting from being supervisors or overseers to actual hands-on facilitators. Their primary role is to empower employees, encourage collaboration, and maintain alignment with organizational goals. In self-organizing teams, management that guide rather than control, ensuring that employees have the tools and freedom to excel. One key change in modern management is the move towards non-hierarchical structures. In these organizations, decision-making power is distributed among employees. We call them boss-less organizations, which indicates the role of management is pretty much non-existent. Most of the day-to-day decisions are made by autonomous employees without going through all the chain of command. Of course, there will always be a top management layer, but no formal authority otherwise. This new approach to modern management requires a shift in mindset. Management need to start creating a solid trust and full transparency. Managers need to rethink how they operate, but also how they motivate and engage employees. In today's dynamic organizations, the concept of management is constantly being redefined. It's not just about a select few at the top anymore, it's about everyone. Collaboration is the key word. We are talking about the role of leaders in self-organizing teams, which is another form of management, a less formal one. Autonomous employees are now making day-to-day decisions. There are no orders coming from a chain of command. Instead, the self-organizing team is taking ownership and responsibility. Keep in mind, this type of approach does not work or can be applied to every organization out there, but at best to start out with a single department and eventually expand out as needed. When the power of control switches to the employees from management, you will then truly see employee retention, productivity, creativity come into full play. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams online certification courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any trending certification courses you may want to pick up, and comment below down and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well that is floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks, it's Markie Williams, and I will see you in the future.